Good morning, ma'am. My name is Akash Modanwal. My roll number is 20 MCMB24. I am from IT branch. Today, my topic for discussion is word count problem on Hadoop. In single node Hadoop setup, word count program is already given within the example as compiled jar file. That code jar file is available in the web page of the Hadoop. In the source code, first we have imported some modules from the Java. These Java modules are used for tokenizing the string, and some for mapping, and some for input and output. First we will be discussing about word count class. This class processes one line at a time as provided by the specified text input format, and it then splits the line into tokens separated by white spaces via skin tokenizer, and emits a key value pair as word and its count, like it's only give one here. In the next public class, that is reducer, it is just implementation of reducer class. By this method we just sum up the values which are the occurrence of the every key and counts it in the counter. In the main method, it will specify various facts of the job, such as input output path that are passed via command line, and key value type and input output format in the job. It then calls for the job and wait for completion to submit the job and monitor its progress here. Now I will be showing the output input that I will be using for word count problem. I have used three files for word count problem. In the first file, this is the text. I don't know if it's visible. Let me zoom it. In the first file, this is the input. It's like a text file. I will be giving these files in the input. In the second file, this is the text, and in the third file, Hadoop word count problem, it's a text only. Now I'll be running the program. For running the program, I will be opening the terminal, and for running the program, I will be running this command. It's start with Hadoop jar. It just specifies that what are we using, and we are using jar file, and we have given its location. It is stored in the Hadoop. It is already available in the Hadoop downloaded files as this name. Now I have specified that what program we will be running, like as word count, and I have given input like it's a folder name, and I have created it in the home of the my file manager, so I have not added any path. And the output will be this file will be generating by itself. It's Hadoop generates it. Now I'll be running this command. The program is successfully executed in the single node cluster. Now I'll be checking the output. The output is also stored in the home directory. It gives the success. If there is a success file in the output, means the program was successfully compiled and run executed. And now I'll be showing the output. It had counted all the words count, like my roll number, I have only entered it one, and is like is was like there three times. This is the whole count of the all the word. So word count problem for the Hadoop is executed successfully. Thank you, ma'am.